Hey everyone. So in today's video we'll learn how to check the category of any YouTube channel, right? So you guys know you can check your channel category from your YouTube studio, but YouTube does not allow to directly check by visiting the profile of any channel, right? So how do you go about it? Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So, the simplest way is go to YouTube and for any channel for which you want to check their category. So, just let's take this example, right? I'll show it for maybe 2 3 videos. So, this is virtual tour some channel, right? Right click anywhere once you open the video and click on page source, right? And now click control plus F key and search for category, right? Now you will have to go through this. So you can see now we are hit just scrolling through all the results, and this category is travel events, right? So this video we have also seen, right? It is primarily focusing on driving the Amalfi Coast. This is travel and events. We will check another video so that we establish that this is the way to go about it. And I will try to take some video from others. So now this seems like a podcast. So let's see. Mhm. We go again. We go again the same way. Category. So we see this is entertainment. The category for this video and channel is entertainment, right? So this is second example. Let's take another example. This seems like search something into education, right? So let's check if we get what we are looking for and it matches the thought process, right? So we are searching again for category and it's people and blogs. So this channel has set the video to people and blogs, right? So in this way, you can check the category of any channel for which you want to check and understand how to go about it for your videos and channel. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave for more such videos.